Jamaica's Sunshine Girls stretched their perfect win record at the Netball World Cup to 4 on Monday, following a 61-49 win over Uganda in the second phase of the preliminary round. But despite the win, Captain Janelle Fowler was less than pleased about the team's effort. The Sunshine Girls have passed every test so far at the ongoing Netball World Cup in Cape Town, South Africa, including the hosts themselves on Sunday. On Monday, they faced a Uganda team which they were expected to easily brush aside, but it turned out to be closer than Captain Janelle Fowler would have liked. After a 15-12 opening quarter advantage, the Sunshine Girls blew the Ugandans out in the second quarter with a dominant 23-9 performance for a 38-21 halftime lead. But the girls, who have been shining bright so far, were outscored 16-11 in the third quarter and ended even with their opponents on 12 goals apiece to end the game. A win for the nation's netballers, but Captain Fowler was not pleased with the effort.
So much more room for improvement. I thought that this game we started a bit flat, and it was a lot of ebbs and flow, a lot of things that we need to tighten up on, so making sure that we do that for the next game.
The Connie Francis coached team is joint top of its second preliminary group with New Zealand on 6 points. The Sunshine Girls take on Trinidad and Tobago on Wednesday at 9 a.m. before opposing New Zealand on Thursday. A top 2 finish ensures a semi-final berth.